If you are running out of ideas, then what you can actually do is you can utilize Qwen to brainstorm ideas for you. So to do that, you need to go around onto more, and here you can see that brainstorm is an option. So if I were to go ahead and click, then you can see that it starts the prompt with give me an idea. So I'm just going to go around and say for a kids party in, let's say for example, Singapore at a low cost at home. So if I were to go ahead and then do that, then what happens is that it says here, sure, here's a fun low cost kid party ideas that can host high right at home in Singapore and why it works. So you can see that it even gives you the estimated cost right here, and it says jungle themed printables right here, and it says balloon and crepe paper streamers and animal stickers and so forth. So it tells you why it works right here, and then the budget breakdown right here for it as well, and even the decorations that is needed right here, and the activities and games for it, as you can see right here. And that is how you can actually go ahead and utilize the brainstorm feature inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.